Did you know that just one single trade without a stop loss can wipe out weeks of hard-earned profits? Imagine a portfolio chart suddenly plummeting, erasing all previous gains in a matter of seconds. Welcome to Mr. SHEKO Trading. Today, we're discussing the most important tool in a trader's arsenal. Professionals don't just hunt for entries. They obsess over risk and their exit strategy first. So, what is a stop loss? Put simply, it's your pre-planned exit point for when a trade goes against you. Think of it as an insurance policy that automatically closes your position at a price you've already accepted. Trading isn't about being right 100% of the time. It's about staying in the game by controlling your losses. Protecting your capital is the only way to ensure you have the funds to trade another day. Without a stop loss, you're not trading. You're gambling with your entire account balance. Beginners often fall into the trap of not hope. They watch a loss grow, hoping the market will turn around. Worse yet, some traders move their stop loss further away out of fear of being stopped out. This emotional reaction turns a small, manageable loss into a catastrophic account-blowing event. Professionals accept that losses are just a cost of doing business. They are small and controlled. A stop loss isn't a sign of weakness. It's a sign of ultimate discipline and professional maturity. So where do you put it? One common strategy is placing it just below a key support level. In a short trade, you would place your stop just above a significant resistance zone. Another practical method is using swing lows for long positions, giving the trade room to breathe. By using these structural levels, you ensure your trade idea is actually invalidated before you exit. Avoid random placement. Placing a stop loss too tight often leads to being wicked out unnecessarily. Conversely, placing it too far away ruins your risk-to-reward ratio. Before entering, you must know your entry, your stop, and your profit target. Aim for a 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 ratio where your reward outweighs your risk. If you don't know these numbers before clicking buy, you haven't finished your homework. The market is driven by fear and greed. A stop loss removes the need for emotional decision-making. When the price hits your stop, the decision is already made. Just execution. Always run through a checklist. Logical entry, defined stop, risk amount accepted, plan confirmed. If you can't check every box, step away from the charts until you can. In summary, prioritize discipline over emotion, protect your capital, and the profits will follow. Thanks for watching Mr. SHEKO Trading. Like and subscribe for more professional trading insights. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice.